Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So here we have our S175 skid steer. You look in the back here, it's pretty nasty, full of carbon and smoke. And that is because this muffler here is broken. So we're going to attempt to change that today. We're lucky enough, Friday Parts got us a muffler. Thanks to them for sending that to us that we can try out their parts. It's all here in the bag, so we're going to go ahead and unbox it and see if everything lines up and see if we can put it on. Okay, so here's the box. Already cut it open, so we're going to see what's inside here. Will help. Let's slow down a little bit. So that's the ground. Okay, we've got clamp and exhaust pipe. Nice and flexible. And got a gasket. Actually, there's two gaskets in here. Gaskets. And this must be the exhaust itself. So we'll get rid of the box here. Open this guy. Taped up a bit. Okay, there's the exhaust. I believe it goes like this inside there. The looks of it, it looks exactly the same. So we will take the old one out and then we'll try to put the new one in. See if all the parts match up. And put this in. Yeah, Friday Parts is pretty great. For this whole kit, the muffler and the pipe and everything, I believe right now it's on sale for $388. And at our local OEM dealer it was $1,300, so saving $1,000. I will go aftermarket anytime. So they sent it to us to try out and see if everything would fit, and by the looks of it everything's lining up right now. So we're going to take this old muffler out and get it all taken out, and then we're going to put the new one in.
One more bolt and now we're done. Then we can go for a spin.
Alright, finally got this off. Yeah, these 4 bolts, surprisingly quite hard to get off, but they all came out. They're not magnetic, so they were smart. They did stainless bolts on there. So, got the old stuff all out. Now we're going to try to get the new stuff in and see if it all matches up, and then it will be a lot better. Not so much smoke. This air filter is getting completely filled with smoke because the exhaust was just blowing in here. It was pretty bad. So get it all fixed up like new and it'll be good to go for many more years. So let's check out the parts. Okay, so here we have the old and the new. So here's the old one. It's all rusted through all around, pretty rusted. And here's the old exhaust pipe. It's got clamps in between the flex pipe. Nice thing about this new one, it doesn't require the clamps anymore. But yeah, overall, there's the new one. Here's the old one. Looks like they match up perfectly. So we'll go try and install this right now and yeah, follow along. I will leave the link in the description of these parts. So in case anyone's interested, it fits all sorts of skid steers, Bobcats, and they have everything for cat, for deer, whatever you need. So check them out definitely. FridayParts.com, great company. They have all sorts of aftermarket parts, slight upgrades for your tractors, all sorts of stuff, John Deere's, anything. So yeah, definitely go check them out. All right, so first things first, here's this flex pipe. Got to get this end in there. And so definitely a bit of a bear to get down in there and get that on. Where off was hard. I think on will be a whole lot easier. Here's the gasket. I'm gonna try to get that in there. Here, you wanna hold these bolts for me? Just give me one at a time when I need them. So I will try and get these guys in there. Or at least get one started, and then hopefully the rest will go fairly easy. It's definitely hard to see in here where everything's supposed to go, but just give me a second. Oh, one is started. Give me another bolt. Thank you.
Two more to go.
Okay, last one. They're definitely a little bit tricky to get back in there to install it, but we're getting them. Let's see if I can get a wrench for this. Okay, I'll tighten those all down. It'll take a little while and then we'll be back. Okay, I finally got this pipe all tightened in there. So now we're gonna try to get the muffler in here. See how that goes. Okay, so let's see if we can get that in there. Go. Then these bolts. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay, let's see if we can wiggle this in here. One. Man, these bolts, they I'm sure get stuck in here. Okay, so it seems like the holes aren't completely lining up. I might have to do a little bit just to make them line up. Let's see. I'll see what I need to do, but yeah. This hole here, I'll show you. Yeah, don't match up 100%, so I will have to do something different there a little bit. Okay, let's see what we can do about this. Alright, so as I was mentioning, the bolts weren't quite lining up, but all I really had to do was start both bolts at the same time. It was slightly at an angle, and I was able to tighten them, so I didn't have to drill any holes or anything, so it worked out good. As for the rest, we just got to tighten this clamp down now, and everything should be installed. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Get this clamp right about there. Tighten it down, and it should be done. Well, there you go. Brand new exhaust installed. Friday Parts is your place to go. And if you want to save yourself some money, it's definitely worth it. Yes, you can go OEM, but honestly, it's exactly the same product. So we will get a battery thrown in here and start it up and see how she runs. All right, moment of truth, it's in. My battery's not quite charged, so I'm going to boost it, but let's start it up and see how it sounds. Alright, so there you go guys, there's the new muffler in. These bolts were a little bit hard, that bolt and this bolt, to get them in, but I got them in. Like I said, I just had to do them at an angle and they went in just fine. There's your clamp, and then that's where the flex pipe goes, way down in there. And right here, there's 4 bolts that clamp onto the manifold, or that bolt onto the manifold, and that's where, that was quite hard to get those bolts in and out. But we managed to do it. It's got a brand new muffler in there, and the old one's out. So here's the old one. Looks pretty beat up, old and broken. Flex pipe is all messed up. So that was totally time to replace that thing. So yeah, thanks to Friday Parts. I will leave the link in the description of this part, so in case anyone wants to pick it up. Like I said, you can save yourself $1,000 for getting it off of them. So go down there, pick it up, subscribe, like, and yeah, come back for more videos. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. See you in the next one.